Hello my lovely foodie members, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I'm so excited to share with you this simple and easy Ghanaian cuisine. This is OMOTUO or rice ball. It's so easy to prepare and I know you're going to love this. So let's get started. To begin with this recipe, I'll begin by boiling my water and I'll season my water with some salt. To that, I'll go in with 3 cups of local Ghanaian rice. You can also use perfume rice if you want, okay? And for this rice ball recipe, the water you add to it should be more than the regular rice we always cook, because we are making it like rice fufu, so it should be a little bit watery. Okay, so now let's cover our rice and allow it to cook until it's very soft. So after 15 minutes of cooking, the rice is not ready, but the bottom of the rice looks very soft. So I'll go in with my spatula and stir, and we want to make sure that the rice at the bottom will come at the top, so that the top ones will also go down for it to cook very well. Okay, so now let's stir everything until it is nice and well incorporated, and after that I will cover it for extra 10 to 15 minutes for it to become very soft. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are still watching this video at this point, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Alright, so after extra 15 more minutes, the rice is all ready. So using my wooden spatula, I'll be stirring the rice ball and bring it back against the walls of my pots to make sure that the rice comes together and also to become very soft, very stretchy, and also to achieve the perfect rice ball dough that we're looking for. Okay, and to my lovely foodie members right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. And if you haven't liked this video yet, kindly do like for me. Alright, so after stirring, the rice is all ready, so I'm going to mold it in my plastic bag. You can mold it without using this plastic bag. Okay, this also helps the rice ball keeps a little bit warm if you're not going to enjoy it right away. Okay, so now let's mold our rice ball until everything is nice and ready. And if you enjoyed watching this rice ball recipe, just let me know your thoughts about it. Okay, and so I paired mine with some Wer3Wer3 or maximilian soup. You can as well enjoy this rice ball with any soup that you want to enjoy with this. You can enjoy with some light soup, peanut butter soup, or groundnut soup, palm nut soup, just name it. All right, thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.